Whether it's business or your personal life, there's literally thousands of times every year that you want somebody to do the thing that you want them to do. I'm going to teach you 2 words right now that are going to help you get your way. You're going to find that people are a lot more likely to do the thing you want them to do when you lead with these 2 words, most people. What most people do is they sign up for our 5-user package first and then they move on from there. What most people do is they sign up for a free appraisal. We come out, we give them an idea of what they're going to be looking at. When you lead with most people, it allows somebody to feel comfortable. Imagine if you and I were on a hike and at the top of that hike, there was a cliff and I said, hey, do you want to jump off the cliff? There's refreshing water below. You'd be like, no way. But now what if I told you, listen, I've been on this hike 100 times. I know you're probably hot. Most people are. What most people do, because I've seen them do it 100 times, when they get to the top of the cliff, they take their backpack off, they put their shoes aside, and they jump off into the refreshing water below. When I let you know that's what most people do, it's a lot easier for you to agree to do it. My name's Matt Easton. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career is going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.